This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the driver's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Lift the safety catch lever and fully open the bonnet. The brake and clutch fluid reservoir is located at the right-hand rear of the engine compartment. The fluid level must be between the minimum and maximum marks on the side of the reservoir at all times. If topping up is necessary, clean the area around the filler cap, then unscrew it. Add new DOT4 fluid from a sealed container to bring the level up to the maximum mark. Securely refit the filler cap. The coolant expansion tank is located on the left-hand side of the engine compartment. When the engine is cold, the level should be up to the mark on the side of the tank. If topping up is necessary, slowly unscrew the filler cap to allow any residual pressure to escape. Add a 50-50 mixture of antifreeze and water to bring the level up to the CALT or cold mark. Securely refit the filler cap. The oil level dipstick and filler cap are brightly coloured for easy identification. Pull out the dipstick and wipe it clean. Fully reinsert it and then withdraw it again. Examine the oil level on the end of the dipstick. If the level is below or near to the minimum mark, topping up is required. Unscrew the oil filler cap, then using a funnel to minimise spillage, add the correct grade of engine oil. Add the oil a little at a time, frequently checking the level on the dipstick. Do not overfill. The lower and upper oil levels on the dipstick are indicated by a hatched area. When the level is correct, refit and securely tighten the filler cap. The power steering fluid reservoir is located at the rear of the engine compartment. With the engine cold, wipe clean the reservoir and filler cap, then rotate the cap anti-clockwise a little and remove it. The cap has an integral dipstick. The fluid level should be up to the step in the dipstick. If topping up is necessary, use a funnel with a length of hose attached to minimise spillage. Add the correct fluid to bring the level up to the step in the dipstick. Refit the filler cap and twist it clockwise to secure it. The screen wash fluid reservoir filler cap is located on the front left-hand side of the engine compartment. Open the filler cap and add a mixture of water and screen wash additive in the quantities recommended on the bottle. Press the cap down to close it. Close the bonnet firmly and check it's secure.